Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar, my favorite 4 hours time frame. And if you just look at the chart, then you can easily see that right now US dollar, Canadian dollar is in uptrend. Yes, there is no doubt about it that market is in uptrend, and you can clearly see that market is following this trend line in the form of support. Okay, in your trading platform or charting platform also you can draw this trend line so that you can understand the chart better, so that you can trade better. Okay. And right now market is trading at 1.2398. Right now market is trading at this particular level. Okay, and if we look at the weekly chart once, okay, if you have watched my previous videos, then you know it pretty well that I'm a fan of multi-time frame analysis, especially the weekly time frame. And as we all know, weekly time frame is the time frame of the big boys, the big players. So we should always keep our eyes on the big boys time frame. And this is the weekly chart, and you can see that the weekly chart is also giving us a signal that market is in uptrend right now. Okay, just forget about this overall downtrend, because see, you are not trading in the weekly chart, you will be trading in the 1 hour chart or 4 hours chart. Okay, therefore you should mainly concentrate on this particular chart only. If market would have been in heavy downtrend, then that would have been a different chapter, but right now market is in uptrend, and right now you can see that bulls are dominating the market. Therefore just concentrate on this particular portion, and if we just focus on this particular portion, then we can see that there is no prominent support or resistance level in front of us right now. And overall the candles look good. Okay, candles look bullish, and this particular portion looks bullish. Okay, apart from these things, there is not much to say, not much to focus from the weekly chart. Let's jump to the 4 hours time frame again. 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours. Yes, we are back to the 4 hours time frame. So as we all know, the thumb rule of the market is follow the trend. Yes, trend is your friend, and we should never trade against the trend. And considering the trend of the market, we should always look for buying opportunities. It's not it, because see, this market is an uptrend, there is no doubt about it. Okay, as long as market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. It's not it. So we will look for buy opportunities. Secondly, area of value. Area of value means the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. As I have already discussed in hundreds of my previous videos, that the area of value or the best trading opportunity in an uptrend market is always near the support, whereas area of value in a downtrend market is always near the resistance. And this market is an uptrend, therefore the area of value or the best trading opportunity is and will be near the support only. And you can clearly see that USD CAD chart is right now following this trend line as the support level. You can also draw this trend line, and this is the area of value. So we have the trend right now in front of us, and we have the area of value also in front of us right now. Therefore you have clearly understood right now which is our best trading spot here. Okay, right now market is trading here, therefore you should not trade here. As I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. It may take 1 day or 2 days, does not matter, but your trade should not be wrong, your trade should not be bad. You should wait for the perfect opportunity, and in this chart you should only wait for it to come down to the support level. So wait for the market to come down to the support level or this trend line. When market will come down and hit this trend line, then just observe the market and just observe the price. If you see that price is taking support at this trend line just like previous times, if you see that market is respecting this trend line as a valid support, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this trend line is a valid one and you can go for a buy order. In case you see that market has breached this trend line, in case you see that market has crossed this trend line with a red candle, then do not buy. Then do not buy, do not take a foolish decision. Okay. And right now this market is an uptrend, therefore do not think about shorting the market. Okay. I would like to show you one thing here. Okay. I would like to show you the Forex sentiment meter. Okay. If you want to see the Forex sentiment meter yourself, then just go to my website avilashajarika.com and you will find the Forex sentiment meter under the Forex 101 section. You can see that 48% traders have taken short position and 51% traders have taken long position. And in this market, okay, in this market, when we can clearly see that market is an uptrend, still 48% traders have taken short position, and this is the main reason retail traders lose money. This is the main reason 90% traders lose money in the market, because they do not follow the trend of the market. As a result, they get trapped, they lose money. Okay. So you should not make the same mistake. Therefore, do not compromise with the trading discipline. Follow the discipline and only trade when market will come to your price level. Do not chase the market. Okay. And if I take you to the Forex heat map, this is the Forex heat map, and you can see that this is the USD CAD. You can see that mainly there is some movement. Okay, I would not say that there is not much movement in the market, because in the weekly chart there is 0.93% movement in the market. So okay, so there is some movement, but it is taking time. So only trade at the support level only, because market is an uptrend, and if market breaches the support level, then do not trade, do not buy, but wait for the perfect opportunity only. And if possible, follow proper risk management, follow proper risk, strictly follow proper position sizing. And for that you can also take help of this position size calculator in my website. It is available for free of cost. Okay. You just need to fill the figures, and uh, you'll get the ideal position that you should be taking according to your capital size. I will cover this position size calculator in other video. I'll be making a separate video how to use a proper position size calculator. Okay. And as of now, um, regarding the USD CAD chart, hopefully you have understood what you need to do right now. So just wait for the opportunity to come down to your price level. And if you can see, stochastic RSI is also coming down. Anyways, wait for the USD CAD to come down to your support level, then only you should trade. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya again.